Guys, welcome to another video from CarAndTech. So this time I bought the Mac Mini, the latest one, 2024 edition. This comes with the M4 chip. So I bought this from Apple India, and Apple India sent this Mac Mini to me in just 2 days. That is just 48 hours. I got it delivered. Now let's open and see what is inside the box. So as you can see, before opening the box, I want to show you this is the Mac Mini with the Apple M4 chip, and this is the 16 GB version with the 256 GB storage, and this actual costs around 59,900. I got it for 54,000 rupees after the credit card discount. So if you're a student, you can get it for 49,000 rupees. So that's the deal. So let me open the box and see what are the contents inside. So guys, I'll open the seal, and I'm gonna open the box, and here it is, guys. Wow, this is just awesome, guys. So too good, and the seals and all the packaging is intact, and you can see the Apple logo, and it just weighs very less. And let me you can see the power button also over here. Let me open the seal, guys. So that first seal opening sound, oh my god, that's really like, I don't know what to say. That experience is like we get it once in a lifetime. So these are the ports, guys. The power key, the power cord port, and the Ethernet port, the HDMI, and the Thunderbolt ports. And here also we have two Thunderbolt ports and the 3.5 mm jack. So let me see what is inside other than this inside the box. And here we have the power cord inside the box. The power cord is of very good quality, and so you can see the power cord is pretty lengthy, yeah, and is of absolutely brilliant quality, guys. So this is a 2-pin port, and you can see the other side of the port. And let me see if we have anything down here. Actually, we don't have anything. We don't even have the sticker, the Apple sticker, and that's so bad that Apple didn't give me the stickers. So this is the first setup, guys.
The main language. Press the return key.
So there's a small speaker also here, which will enable you the audio descriptions. Now let's go to the setup, and let's go for English. And so I actually connected my mouse and the normal mouse and the keyboard to the Mac Mini. So this is a normal keyboard, and this is the mouse. Oh, got it. Okay, guys, so I actually selected India over here, and the input source is US, and the preferred language is also English US. Now let's going for continue accessibility, not now, and yes, let me connect to my Wi-Fi networks. After the setup, this is actually installing a software update. So that is the Mac OS Sequela 15.11. So after the update, let's see how the machine performs. After the software update, it is taking some time to reboot. So let's see how it performs. But the only problem is I don't have any UPS, so I need to buy an extra UPS so that if there's some power failure happens, it's going to corrupt the system files. So I'm going to go for a UPS tomorrow, and we'll do a separate video on that. So guys, some people had been complaining that there is some pixelation with the when you connect the Mac Mini to a Full HD monitor, but I don't find any issues with the Full HD monitor. So as you can see, guys, there is no pixelation, nothing is there. It's very clear, all the images, and it's absolutely clear. So I don't know why people are complaining that when you connect the Mac Mini to the monitor, there is pixelation or the display is not correct. So that's it, guys. So, guys, basically, I bought the Mac Mini M4 for editing purposes for my YouTube channel, and I found it really, really unbelievable. Like the speed of how it edits the videos, the rendering, everything is amazing. I have no words with the Mac Mini M4. I'm proud to be a Mac Mini owner right now. I was using it previously. I was using a gaming laptop for editing, and it used to take hours and hours for rendering, even if I had a graphics card. So that is the power of the Mac Mini M4, guys. As the name says, it is the best and the cheapest editing. I would say the hardware king right now in the what do you call the media world. Any content creator can use this M4 Mac Mini to do his ultimate creative works. So that is my opinion about the Mac Mini M4, guys. And I'll also show you which software I'm currently editing with my Mac Mini. So this is the software which I currently use, guys. This is the Filmora. I purchased the Filmora because you won't get a cracked version for Filmora for the Mac. So I purchased it for, like, right now the Black Friday deals are going, and I got it like just around for 3,000 rupees. It's a lifetime license, but I won't be. This is the Filmora 14 edition, but I won't be getting what do you call the future updates. But I'm fine with the updates or the effects which they have for the next 3 or 4 years, because I don't do much graphics or such kind of things on my videos. So I would definitely suggest you to go for the Mac Mini M4, guys. This is the ultimate beast right now. Even I'm not using my PlayStation like the PS5 right now, because this thing has more power than the PS5 for playing games right now on the Mac Mini. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if you have any comments, please do comment in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching.